So if you guys haven't noticed, GameStop is absolutely fucking destroying everything today. It ran up from 166, like lows of 166, 65 to almost 200. Um, the last TA that I released last week, I'm like, you know what? GameStop's gonna run after it closes a bull week. And guess what? Last week it closed a bull week. It ran up. It closed the gap at like 190 or something, and it's still pushing to the high side. At least the gap is at 190 or so, and it's pushing. Absolutely insane. I wish I bought more. I'm almost at break even. I actually bought most of my shares at around 200 bucks, and I bought 10 more at like 150 or so. So I'm almost at break even. My position on this is about $20,000. And this thing keeps running to the high side. So I'm a little salty because one of my friends actually bought like 2 or 3 calls like a week or two ago for like a month or two out, and he's up like a full 200% on those calls. He just made a couple grand today. But super amazing. GameStop is running, and it's even better because GameStop's running and AMC isn't running. So that's a little weird in itself, but I'll talk about that later. Just wanted to update you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.